is a 1600 VW engine right here. I'm trying to get the main pulley off from here. So the way to do that is you need a 30 millimeter right here. I've got a 1/2 inch drive right here. You need a breaker bar. This is just an old pea shooter pipe. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the engine over. Make sure to, before you do it, remove the center line from the distributor right here. And hopefully that'll work. I've done it in the past, so hopefully it'll work again. Try it real quick. See right here, get that out. The reason you want to make sure to remove that is so the engine doesn't try to turn over. And it's easy as that.